Nantahala National Forest, Panthertown Valley. Wow! Super happy to be driving across the lake. You get up here and look, there are still some rhododendrons blooming. These are all white. These maybe have some pink in them. Some of them are just all white. Well, hello, secluded beach. What's up? Okay, so the Panthertown Trail starts out nice gradual downhill. You eventually get to that lovely waterfall. Then you turn uphill. I've been doing this for a minute, and I just looked at the map, and it looks like I'll be doing this for a few more minutes. So big incline after the waterhole. Okay, here we are at the top of Little Green Mountain. See if we can find some little green men. Something. Here's a view. So it's a really great trail. I wore long sleeves and long pants just in case there was poison ivy or something. Nada. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. I feel like I'm walking on the moon here, and you look up and it's not the moon. It is alive. Wow! I guess that's the Panthertown Valley right there. Hey, Panthertown Valley. Starting to get a little steep over there. Okay, let's see if we can. That looks like a path over there. Yeah. So here we go. So we went to the top of that thing. Now we're going down. Oh yeah, I forgot my water, forgot my poles. Going up's no problem. Just gonna take my time going down. So it's just making some adjustments this trip. Okay, so far. 1.5 miles, 425 feet. 40 minutes. Super chill. This is gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen this in a photo or anything. I wonder if the camera can pick up the disco shine. It's mica or quartz. It's on the rock. Sweep out to here and then check this out. It's like, oh no, where'd the trail go? We're in here. These little pools are formed. Remind me of being out west. Is it 7 sacred pools? Well, this is like 17 sacred pools. Right here, and it goes all the way down, and then look at that! Those pools turn into the sacred river. Really, the moss looks like little islands. Okay, it's definitely flattened out. It's nice and pleasant. I love it. This time in the morning, it's 10 o'clock, just the angle of the sun. It's great. You can see it coming through the trees. I love all these different ferns here, and I think this is like a ground cedar. God, I love these things. They smell. There's all sorts of fun stuff on the ground. So I just wanted to point out this lovely campsite. I've seen lots of campsites in Panther Valley and lots of trails that go off trails that probably lead to campsites. So people come out here and they treat it really well. I don't see any garbage anywhere. It's very well maintained. So great job, Panthertown Valley Trail crew members. Beautiful. This looks really cool. Wow. Cool. Hey. I think there's a road. Do people climb up here?
Yeah,
Oh yeah? You get ready to do it? I'll go this time. Okay. Howdy. I don't want to go where that little rapid is. Over that, yeah, there's that one right there. That way. Don't hurt yourself. There you go. Woo! Woo! That's safe right there? That is good. Woo! And it is ice.
it's cold.
I was in the grill.
And then you're gonna get hit.
Good? Yeah. Woo! Yes! No, I'm not. Press that. This is so cool. I'm gonna go again.
Let's go again. Oh my gosh. Hey, I think I'm through the paddling. Woo! Come on, man. Yeah.
Oh my God, that was the awesomest thing ever. I didn't know that those little falls were going to be here and that whole oasis, that whole landscape. Holy crap. It was gorgeous. I'm so glad that family showed up. I would not have slidden down there by myself out here all alone for the first time. And it's so great. Those kids walked up and they're kind of like, oh no. I think they wanted to look cool, so they went up there to show off for me. And I wasn't going to go off and show off for them. So finally, big brother. Okay, back to Max Gat. Granny Burrell. Granny Burrell Falls. I have fallen for you. Man, this is a great trail. 10-10. Highly recommend. New favorite trail. And thank you, big brother, for showing up and showing us how you get it done. Okay, so after Granny Burrell, enter into this great pine section here. So there's a bunch of different little microclimates around here. Ecosystems, microclimates, whatever. Okay, so there's a trail marker. And there's a trail marker. Let's hope we don't get lost in the pine barrens of Panthertown Valley. Sounds like somebody's peeing. Okay, Panthertown Valley. New favorite valley. Let's see what this is. Oh, well, hello, dear. I didn't see you there. How you doing, sweetheart? Do you have any friends? I thought I heard something over here. Hey, sweet pea. You're an old girl, aren't you? I'll just let you be. Well, it's Deertown Valley, too. She was old. That beautiful, almost red color. Yeah. This place is awesome. Okay, that was the valley. Now we're heading back up to the intersection. I went down that way. But now we're going back up. Thank you, Panthertown Valley.